When you drive a Porsche, you're not just making a statement. You're investing in excellence, performance, design, and heritage, blended into a machine that turns heads and demands protection. The truth is, even the most beautiful paint jobs aren't immune to the everyday dangers of the road. Loose gravel, rock chips, bug acids, harsh UV rays. Every mile brings the risk of permanent damage. That's where paint protection film comes in. It's not just a layer, it's a decade-long defense against the hazards that most drivers never see coming. Self-healing, virtually invisible, designed to absorb abuse, so your Porsche stays flawless. Some say PPF is expensive, but tell me this, how much did you just spend on your Porsche? Why cut corners when it comes to protecting that investment for 10 plus years? A respray can cost thousands, and will never match the factory finish. But with PPF, your original paint stays untouched year after year. That's why Porsche owners across the Bay Area choose DoubleTake Auto Spa. They know we're not a bargain shop. We're the trusted name in high-end protection. We specialize in precision. No rushed installs, no shortcuts. Just flawless, custom-fit protection for every curve of your Porsche. So if you're serious about protecting your investment, join the community of drivers who expect more. And trust DoubleTake Auto Spa to deliver it. Located in Fremont, call or text us anytime at 510-472-4181. Let's keep your Porsche protected, pristine, and powerful, just the way it should be.